pipelines that transport oil and gas around the world are objectively a marvelous feat of human engineering. Their sheer size and stretch is something to behold, and construction can take several years, if not decades. Where are the world's longest pipelines, and what is the progress on their expansion? The West East Gas Pipeline is operated by Petrokina, which has a 72.26% interest in Petrokina Pipelines. Upon full completion, it will top the list of the world's longest pipelines. It comprises a main trunk line, Phase 1, and 8 branches. Phase 1 connects the Tarim Basin gas fields in Tianjin to China's biggest city, Shanghai, stretching 4,000 kilometers. The pipeline passes through no fewer than 66 cities in 10 provinces, and the gas is used for electricity production in the Yangtze River Delta. Originally having the capacity to hold 12 billion cubic meters of natural gas per year, the pipeline was expanded to 17 billion cubic meters in 2007. 10 new gas compressor stations were built to support the extra gas. The total cost of the project was estimated to be $5.7 billion. Phases 2 and 3 of the pipeline both stem from the main pipeline, spreading from Tianjin in a number of different directions. The capacity of the second phase pipeline is 30 billion cubic meters of gas per year and cost the company $20 billion, while Phase 3 can hold another 30 billion cubic meters annually. After the success of the first West East Gas Pipeline project, construction of the second West East Gas Pipeline started on February 22, 2008. The pipeline, with a total length of 9,102 kilometers, including 4,843 kilometers of the main line and 8 sublines, will run from Kyrgyz in northwestern Xinjiang to Guangzhou and Guangdong, up to Gansu. It will be parallel and interconnected with the first West East Pipeline. The western part of the pipeline is expected to be commissioned by 2009, and the eastern part by June 2011. The capacity of the second pipeline is 30 billion cubic meters, 1.1 trillion cubic feet, of natural gas per year. It is mainly supplied by the Central Asia-China Gas Pipeline. The pipeline is expected to cost us $20 billion. The project is developed by China National Oil and Gas Exploration and Development Corp., a joint venture of China National Petroleum Corporation and Petrokina. Construction of the third pipeline started in October 2012, and it is to be completed by 2015. The third pipeline will run from Horgoz in western Xinjiang to Fuzhou in Fujian. It will cross Xinjiang, Gansu, Ningxia, Shanxi, Henan, Hubei, Hunan, Jiangxi, Fujian, and Guangdong provinces. The total length of the third pipeline is 7,378 kilometers, including 5,220-kilometer trunk line and 8 branches. In addition, the project includes 3 gas storages and an LNG plant. It will have a capacity of 30 billion cubic meters of natural gas per year, with operating pressure of 10 to 12 megapascals, 500-1, 700 psi. The pipeline will be supplied from Central Asia China Gas Pipelines Line C, supplemented by supplies from the Tarim Basin and coal bed methane in Xinjiang. Compressors for the pipeline are supplied by Rolls-Royce. The fourth West-East gas pipeline is another strategic energy channel connecting Central Asia and China after the first, second, and third West-to-East gas pipeline. The total length of the pipeline is about 3,340 kilometers. The pipe diameter is 1,219 millimeters, and the design pressure is 12 MPa. After completion, it will be jointly operated with the second and third West-to-East gas pipeline, and the annual transmission capacity of the West-to-East gas pipeline system will reach 100 billion cubic meters. It is a key project of the National 14th Five-Year Plan Oil and Gas Development Plan. During the project, an extremely important machine used is the 800 series automatic pipe welding machine. 800 series pipe welding machine automatic is used for automatic travel inside the pipeline, and the automatic welding head moves on the inner surface of the pipeline to realize automatic circumferential welding of the pipe joint. It is mainly composed of machine host, central controller, reach rod assembly, welding power source adapter, and dedicated welding power source. It's designed for precise root pass welding of internal circular seam, one-click operation. The 800 large pipe automatic welding machine is an efficient automatic gamma welding process equipment suitable for inner circumferential seams of pipelines. It adopts the method of simultaneous welding with multiple welding torches, which has the advantages of fast welding speed and high welding quality. In practical applications, the 800 large pipe automatic welding machine can effectively improve welding efficiency and welding quality. It can automatically complete the base welding process, reducing manual intervention and avoiding the impact of human factors on welding quality. At the same time, the simultaneous welding of multiple welding torches also greatly increases the welding speed, greatly shortens the welding time, and improves production efficiency.